Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another tutorial on Android app development. In this video, I will show you how to crop your images in Android Studio using SoundCloud API. So let's get started. First of all, I have created a project in Android Studio. The name of the project is image cropper. Alright, so we have to crop the image. So uh, to use the SoundCloud API, here is the link. It is developed by JDA MCD Android Crop. It is a SoundCloud API for image cropping. I will upload the link in the video description so you can get from that. So in order to start, first of all, let's see, first declare crop image activity in your manifest file. So we have to copy that, and what we need to do is we need to paste that into our manifest file. It is giving an error because we have not added the dependency. So what we need to do here is we need to add the dependency. So for that, this is the dependency. So I click on sync now. As you can see, the Gradle build is now finished, and now as you can see, the error is now gone. Alright, now this next step is to what, so we need a button here, pick image. Alright, and we need an image view. So here is the image view. So on button click, let me create a method, open gallery. So here what we need to do is we need to use the API to pick the image. So for that we have to use crop dot pick image. Alright, and in here we need to pass the context here. So for that we can pass this. Alright, so let me assign the on click method, open gallery. So in when the user will press this button, the image gallery will be opened, and so we need an on activity result method. Alright, we have to use that. So in here we need to check if result code equals result OK, and in here we need to check if request code equals to crop dot request pick, means if the user has picked the image, what they need to do is and result code, no sorry. So what we need here is we need a URI. So we need to get the reference of URI. Source URI equals to data dot get data. Alright, this is the source URI. So we need a destination URI where the URI will be pasted. So we need a destination URI. Alright, URI dot from file. We have to store it in a file. So what we can do is here we can select new file, and in here we need to provide get cache directory and cropped. Alright, this is the destination URI. So what we are doing is we are getting the source URI and then changing that URI and then setting our destination URI where the source URI will be copied. So in next step what we need to do is we need to use crop dot off. In here we need to provide source URI, destination URI, alright, dot ascare dot start and this. Alright, now what we need to do is first of all we need to initialize the image view. Why is it giving me an error? I1 equal to image view. So what we need to do is we need to write I1 dot set image URI, and in here what we need to provide is crop dot get output, and in here what we need to provide is the data. Alright, so else if request code equals to crop dot request crop if the user has requested for image crop. So what we need to do is we need to specify a method here which will take what result code and data. Alright, so we will specify the method here, public void handle crop. So in here we need to provide int code and intent result. Alright, so in meanwhile let me open Wiser app. So what we need to do is we need to check if code equals to result. Okay, so what we need to check is we need to write I1 image view dot set image URI, and we need to provide crop dot get output result. Alright, else if code equals to crop dot result error, so we need to print the message and error occurred. Alright, now let me run the application. First of all let me connect my Android phone, but basically we need a permission here of read external storage. Alright, so let me run my application, and also let me share my Android screen. Let me see. As you guys can see this button, when I click on the button, as you can see, images are shown. So if I press gallery, and so as you guys can see, I can use this. So I will click on done. As you guys can see, now the image is cropped. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.